In today's guide, you will learn how to use WhatsApp on iPhone more effectively. So, follow me as I put you through on how you can complete some tasks on your WhatsApp mobile app. First is that you are expected to have WhatsApp already installed on your iPhone. So, but if you don't have that installed on your iPhone, get to the App Store and get it installed. Okay, so let's get started right away. So, I will tap on WhatsApp for the application to open. As the application opens, you will see some contacts that you have chatted with. But if you're just using your WhatsApp for the first time, everywhere will be clean. So you wouldn't have any contact showing here. So what you need to do is to tap the search area that has the text. So what you need to do is to tap on the search area that has the text. Ask Meta AI or search, okay? So once you tap there, then type the name of the contact you want to get to. But please note, this contact must have already been saved on your iPhone. So I have Mike already saved on my iPhone, so I want to communicate with him. So I will type his name. You can see it has shown up here, so I will tap on the contact for it to open. As the contact opens, you can send message or start communicating with him. So I want to say hi to Mike. So I'll tap the box area and then say hello. Then after typing the text, tap on the send button, which is the arrow that points towards the right. Then Mike has received this message from his end. If he's offline, when he comes over, he will respond to me. So this is how you communicate to people through the WhatsApp, okay? Then, if you want to change your profile, you get back to the main page. Once you get back to the main page, you tap on the settings. This is on the assumption that you do not have any photo on your profile. Okay, so tap on the profile area. Then this opens a page like this. So you can tap on the name area and add your name. But here, Mike is already inserted. Okay, but if I want to change it, I will tap there, and then add a different name. After that, I will tap on done. If you want to add profile picture on your WhatsApp, tap on the profile that's already existing there. Or if it's vacant, if it's blank, just tap there. As you're taken to a new page like this, tap on the edit button, which is at the top right. Then you are shown some options, just as you can see right now on the screen. You have use avatar, you have take a photo, you have take photo, you have choose photo, you have delete photo. Maybe you want to delete the existing profile picture, okay? But here we want to add a new profile picture, okay? So tap. So from the list, I'll be going with the option choose a photo because I already have a photo already saved on my iPhone. Then this opens the photos gallery of your iPhone, okay? So tap on the photo you want to use as your profile. It can be your photo, it can be a friend's photo, it can be your baby's photo, okay? Your child's photo, or it can be just a write-up that you like to use. Then crop the photo the way you want it to be, and then tap the choose button. And with this, your profile picture is updated. Then you can see the about section. Maybe you want to write some things about yourself, or maybe you want to write a shout out. So tap the about section and then type your text. So here you can see my about section reads, we need to keep going. Take is the now and the future. So you know what you want to have there. So after that, you tap on save button. Okay, but irrespective of the fact that you can add your own custom text in the about section, there are some options made available by WhatsApp developers. You can see available, you can see at school, you can see at the movies, you can see at work, you can see battery about to die. So you can select any of these options and it will replace the about section. Okay, so let's say here I am on the gym, so I'll select the option at the gym. Once that is selected, it replaces the About section. You can see here, currently set to at the gym. So you go back by tapping the back button. Go back again, and you're landed on the settings main page. Okay, so let's get back to charts by tapping on the charts tab. This is the default area where you are placed once you open the WhatsApp app. For example, if you want to view the status of people, that is the contacts that you have on your phone, and they too have your contact too. So tap on the updates option. When you tap on updates, you can see what your friends and your relation upload on that status. You can tap on any to watch the write-up or the picture or the video they uploaded. Okay, take for example, I want to see what Cletus has. I'll then tap on his name and it displays. After that, I'll swipe down for it to go off. That is how you can access the status on WhatsApp. Then other tabs on WhatsApp are called communities, chats, settings. Okay, so if you want to see people you call on WhatsApp, maybe on video call or on voice call, tap on calls. This displays the people that you called recently. If you want to see the communities you belong to, tap on Communities tab. So you can see here, I have Uchemic IT Training as one of the communities I belong to. You can see Uchemic Python for everyone. And the another tab here is the charts, which is where you are placed at the beginning. Then you have settings, which you can tap to change some things about the WhatsApp settings options. Okay, but here let's get back to chat because I want to teach you some things you can do through that tab before we proceed to the settings page. Then I will tap on chat. So let's get back to Mike. I still want to discuss some things with him, so I will tap on his name. As I am on the Mike's page for the chat, there are some buttons you can see at the top. One is the call icon and the other is the video icon. If you want to call Mike using WhatsApp, just tap on the call icon. As you can see, I just called Mike. And the call put through. So it's left for him to pick. But for now, I don't want Mike to pick because we have some other things we want to do. Then we have the video option, the video icon. So if you want to call Mike on video call, just tap on that. Okay, Mike will get a call from his end and he will then accept the call. Let's talk about viewing a contact's profile fully. First is that you're going to be on the chat page, just as you can see on the screen right now. So after that, tap on the contact's name. So as you are on the contact name, you can see the option showing his face or her profile picture. Tap on that and it will show fully. From here also, you can customize some things about the contact. Take for example, you want to add a custom wallpaper that will show up whenever you are chatting with this contact. You can do that. So what you need to do is to tap on the wallpaper option. Then this shows the default wallpaper that is existing currently between your chat and that of the contact. Then you have the option choose a new wallpaper. So tap there. Then you are shown some options here. You can see bright, you can see dark, you can see solid color. So if you want to assign a solid color of your choice with the wallpaper of your chat between these contacts, go with the solid color option. So I select a new color of your choice. Okay, so from here I have selected green. The next step is tap on set button. And now anytime you are chatting with the contact, you will see the color is selected at the background. Let's go back. If you want to assign a picture as a wallpaper, tap on the wallpaper option. Then tap on choose a new wallpaper. Then you can see photos as an option here. So tap on photos. This displays some photos you have on your iPhone. Then tap on anyone you want to choose the photo from. Then from the photos option, you can select a photo of your choice. Then tap on set. And then you are good to go. So anytime you chat with this contact, this photo will be showing at the background. So that is how you can set chat wallpaper. So let's get back to the previous page. Okay, I'm on my contact again. So let's assume I want to send a photo to this contact, a WhatsApp contact. What you need to do is to tap on the plus sign at the bottom left. Then you can see some options, and one of the options there is photos. So tap on photos. This photos option allows you to send both photos and videos to the contact. So if it's a video you want to send to him or her, just tap on the video. But if it's a photo you want to send to him, tap on the photo you want to send to him. So you may need to scroll down until you get to the photo, then tap on it, and then tap on next. Now tap on the send button, which is the arrow that points towards your right at the bottom. And here, this contact will get this photo and then communicate to you. You may be working with a colleague in an office and you need to send document file or PDF file or PowerPoint file to him through the WhatsApp. What you need to do is just tap on the contact, just I am on Mike's contact right now. Then after that, tap on the plus sign at the bottom left. Once you tap there, you can see some options. You see photos, you see camera, you see location, you see contact, you see document, you see pool. Okay? But here, I want to send documents. Then tap on the document option. Then the system asks you, where do you want to choose the document from? You have the option choose from files, and the option choose from photo, and the option choose photo or video. Here, we want to choose from files. Okay, so when you tap on that option, the files app of your phone will be opened automatically. Now, this takes us to on my iPhone. Our interest here is to go with documents. So navigate to a folder where you save the documents in the files app. But here it is on the on my iPhone category or location. So I will tap on the document file for it to be selected. Then tap on open. The same thing applies if you want to send a PDF file. Okay, just navigate to where you save the PDF file and then select it by tapping on it. Just as this is a PDF file here, so I will tap on it for it to be selected and tap on open. Okay, and this file will show on the preview area here, then tap on send. So this contact will get the file and he will then download it into his phone. If he's accessing the WhatsApp through the PC, he can download it through his PC. Okay, so what is important is that you have learned how you can send document types, PDF, PowerPoint, Excel spreadsheet file, and so many other file type, and so many other files type through the WhatsApp on your iPhone. Okay, you can send a contact to a WhatsApp user. First is tap on the contact's name for you to be landed on a page that looks like this, an interface that looks like this. Then after that, tap the plus sign. Then you can see location and contact as one of the options in the first line. Our interest here is to send a contact to him. So tap on contact. This automatically opens the contact app of your iPhone. So navigate to the contact you want to send to him. Here, I want to send Melody Abigail's contact. So I will tap on the name and it's selected. Then tap on next button. Then this displays the contact you are sending. Tap on the send button. And Mr. Mike has received this contact on his WhatsApp. So he needs to open it and save the contact. You can also send a location to a WhatsApp user. To do that, tap on the plus sign. Then you can see from the options, one of them is location. So tap on locations. This asks you to allow the WhatsApp to scan your location. Just tap on allow once or allow while using app. So the next step is to tap on a location you want to send to him. Then after that, scroll down, drag up, and then tap on share live location. The next step you need to take here is to tap on the send button. I hear Mike has gotten the location I am at this point in time. So with this, you can track where I am at this point in time. Maybe I'm stranded somewhere and I need to send my location to him. I've just done that. You can create a pool or pools on WhatsApp. To do that, tap on the plus sign, then tap on pool. So ask your question and set up some options. So for example, I'll say, are you ready? I will, under options, I will say, I'll type yes and no. Then I'll tap on send. So maybe I have an occasion to attend with Mike. So he will then tell me whether he's ready or not by tapping either yes or no from his own end. Then I would know the next action to take. You can send voice message to a WhatsApp user or a contact. For you to do that, you can see a voice icon at the bottom right. Long press on it and then say what you want to say, which after that, release the pressure on the voice icon. With this, the voice record or the voice message is now sent to the contact. So he will play it from his end and give you a feedback in respect to what you are discussing with him. Then you have the option of camera, which allows you to take a camera recording of yourself and then send to him or her. So to use that, tap on camera and follow the on-screen guide to capture your face. So let's make it practical. From the options displayed here, you can take a photo of your face first. But if your interest is on video, tap on the video icon. Then tap on record and then record what you want to say. Hello, please do subscribe to Godwin Tech. Once you're done with your recording, tap on the stop button. And the next step is to send the video to the user by tapping on the send button. And here the user has received the file from his end. So he's going to open it and play the video. Let's get back to the main page and then complete some tasks that has to do with settings. As usual, settings is one of the major tabs at the bottom part of WhatsApp. So tap on it. First is broadcast lists. This allows you to broadcast messages to the contacts you have on your WhatsApp. Take for example, I have a message I want to pass. I'll tap on broadcast list option. Then I'll tap on new list and then send a broadcast to the contacts on my phone. Instead of sending the messages individually, I'll broadcast to all my contacts and then we get it immediately within a short time. Then let's get back. Start messages contain some messages you mark as favorites on your phone, on your WhatsApp, okay? So for you to see your start messages, tap on the start messages option. And you can see one here from SAFA. That's a good friend, okay? So let's go back. If you want to see your linked devices, that is other devices that are linked to your WhatsApp mobile, tap on the link devices option. I can see my device here is linked to two Windows PCs. One was last active on Saturday at 21:09. The other PC, which is also my PC, was active last on Saturday at 18:43. So these are the two pieces of mine that I link my WhatsApp mobile to. But if you want to link a new device, then tap on link device and follow the on-screen guide to get that done. So let's get back to the settings page again. Accounts is another settings page option. So if you tap on that, you'll be taken to the account settings page. One of the options here is security notifications. You can tap on that, and when you tap on that, you can see some information about your security notifications, you can say it reads, your chats and calls are private. Okay, so if you want to turn on show security notifications on this phone, just tap on the button and it will be toggled on. But for me, I want to leave it at the default state, so I don't want to make any changes. So let's get back. Another option on the account settings page is two-step verification. This is very important because if you don't do that, your WhatsApp may end up getting hacked. And once it gets hacked, fraudsters may start defrauding your friends. And it's not good. So to enable two-step verification on your iPhone device, tap on this option. Then here it is turned on. Okay, but if you want to change the pin, then tap on change pin and follow the on-screen guide. But I don't want to make any changes here, so I'll go back. Another option under account is email address. So we'll tap on it to see the email address that is linked to your WhatsApp. Here you can see the email address that is linked to my WhatsApp. And it is verified. So if your own email address is not verified, you can verify that through this page. Okay, so let's get back to our account settings page. Passkey allow you to strengthen your security more. So if you want to enable or add a passkey on your WhatsApp, tap on the passkeys option and then tap on create passkey and follow the on-screen guide to create a passkey successfully. But here, I don't want to do that. So I'll get back. Change a number allows you to change the number you have on your WhatsApp currently. So if I want to change a new number, I will tap on change number. Then I'll tap on next and then change my number successfully. But I'm okay with my number. I don't want to change to anyone now. So I'll cancel. Request account information allows you to request your account information. To do that, tap on that option. And then you can follow the on-screen guide here and create reports automatically or create reports manually, depending on how you want to do it. Here it states account information, request account reports. Create a report of your WhatsApp account information and settings, which you can access or port to another app. This report does not include your messages. So you can toggle on any of the buttons you want and then get your account information the way you want it. Then let's get back. Delete my account is another option under the account setting page. If you don't want to use your WhatsApp account again, maybe for personal reasons, you can delete it from this settings page. All you need to do is to tap on delete my account. Once you tap on delete my account, select your country. Here United States is selected by default. And then add your phone number. Once you add your phone number, tap on delete my account button and you're good to go. But here, my WhatsApp is still important to me, so I don't want to delete my account, so I'll cancel. I'm returned back to the account settings page, so I'll go back so that we see some other things you can change through settings. Privacy is one of the options on the WhatsApp settings page. So tap on privacy and you will see some options. Last seen online is everyone. Some people have turned their own last seen online off because of their personal reasons. So if you want to turn your own off, just like some people have done, then you can change that from here, last seen and online. So tap on it and then change it to my contact or my contact accept. So maybe there's a guy you don't want him to know when you are last seen online. So you can tap on my contacts accept and then tap on the contact and then it's save it. So he will don't know when you're online last time. All right. So that is how it is. But for me, I'm okay with everyone. Everyone can see me online. When I'm online, the last time I was online. So I don't care. All right. But for some people that care, Let them do it the way they want it. So let's get back. The next option here is profile photo. By default, everyone sees your profile photo. But if there are some persons you don't want to see your profile photo, tap on the everyone option. Then this displays my contacts, everyone, my contact except nobody. So if you don't want anybody to see your profile picture at all, tap on the nobody option. But if you want only people that have your phone number on their phone to see your profile picture, tap on my contacts option. But if you want my contacts except a particular person, that means you want any person that you have in your contact or have your other contact see your profile picture except one person, tap on that option. When you tap on that option, then select a contact you want to be excluded. Okay? And you're good to go. Okay? But here, I don't have any problem with my contacts. So let all of them see my profile picture. Okay? The next option on the privacy settings page is about. By default, everyone sees your about page. Okay? But if you don't want everyone to see it, tap on the everyone option and then select the people you want to see your about section. All right, then we have groups. Just tap on groups and make some changes about the groups option. Okay, then status. By default, your contacts see your status. Okay, but if you want something different, maybe you want my contact except a particular contact or only share with a particular person, go with that option as well. Okay, so you have a lot of options on the people you want to see your status. As simple as that. Leave location, one chat is turned on. Calls, when you tap on calls, you see some options there. Then the next option under privacy is blocked. It shows you the number of people you have blocked on your WhatsApp. Okay, so I have blocked 6 persons. So if you scroll down the page, you see chat log, you see app log, you see advanced. So when you click on any of these options, you see some other things you have to do that concerns your privacy. And one of them under advanced is protect IP address in calls. So if you don't want your IP address to show in calls, just toggle on the button. Disable link previews. If you don't want that to show, toggle on the button. So you have these options under the advanced settings page of privacy. You are back to the main settings page, and one of the options here is chat. So this allows you to customize some things that has to do with your chat. So when you tap on the chat option, you can see some options: chat wallpaper, save to photos. Okay, it's not toggle on by default. When you want any photo that a contact sends to you to be automatically saved in your photos app, then you toggle on the button. Okay, then chat backup, export, and some other options are available in the chat option. All right, so let's get back again. Notification settings has to do with the notification settings of your WhatsApp, how you receive notification. Okay, so if you want to make some changes to that, just tap on that and then toggle on or off some buttons you don't want to be the way they are by default. We have storage and data as one of the options in the settings page. When you tap on storage and data, you see some things that has to do with the storage and the data you use on your WhatsApp. For example, the first option is manage storage. When you tap on that manage storage, you can see some things about the storage of your WhatsApp. For example, you can see 343.7 megabytes has of data has entered your WhatsApp at this moment out of 20.9 gigabyte free storage of this phone. Okay, because anytime you add more data on this your WhatsApp, it affects the main storage of the phone. For example, Real is number one because she has sent a lot of data to my WhatsApp. All right, so let's get back again. So if you want to get help from WhatsApp, tap on the help option. If you want to tell a friend about WhatsApp, Tap on tell a friend. So with this, I'll go back to the chat option. So I know that once you understand all these that are being taught in this video guide, you will be a good user of WhatsApp on your iPhone. I hope you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to my channel. Here we discuss more on technology. So if you're a tech lover or you want to learn one or two things in technology, you will find the content on this channel useful, okay? So subscribe to learn more. Also, hit that like button so that YouTube will share this content to more people so that they will learn and also help me grow this channel, all right? I want to hear your say in the comment section if this guide is really helpful to you. So please don't go without leaving a comment. Watch this video to learn more on how to use WhatsApp on PC, the easy and the fastest way. Thank you and see you some other time.